Okay, I could scream. I would definitely, I'm gonna wear this tomorrow when I go to school. So today, I'm very late. I'm very late. I know this. I'm aware. Okay, you don't have to tell me. I know. I'm late. This is the L'Oreal True Match. This one's actually at the drugstore. It's like $8. I think it's like 7 and some change, or 8. I don't know. It's under $10. I believe so. It's between 7 or like, yeah, it's between $7 and $10. So, yeah, this one is like, I guess it's kind of a holy grail. Like, if I run out, I will get another one. So this one's really good. I feel like the shade is a very good match. Actually, I feel like my high-end ones, they're probably too light for me right now because I went to Hawaii and I did get a tan. So this one might actually work perfectly because it was a little bit dark when I first got it at the like beginning of the summer. So I'm gonna use this one today just because I feel like you don't have to do all the extras on your face when you have something that's really a really good match for your skin. Like, you don't have to go in with the contouring, you don't have to like highlight and all that, because I definitely won't be doing that every day for school. But I mean, more power to you if you can. I enjoy my sleep, so I would rather sleep longer than wake up and get ready for school and look better for 3 hours, because my classes are only like an hour and 15 minutes. So to me, it's just not worth it, honestly. But I told my sister that I will stop walking around looking like a bum. So I am going to take my Real Technique sponge. This is my favorite one. I tried the Tarte one. I didn't really like that one. I was a little bit like sad because everybody liked it, and I was kind of like, oh, I want to like it too, but I didn't. So I just stick to this one, and I can't like find it in my little heart to go out and spend $20 on an actual beauty blender. So, you know, don't fix what ain't broke. I like this one. So yeah, so I just put a little bit of foundation. This is in the shade W7, the caramel beige. So I'm just gonna, oops, I forgot my mirror. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it's gonna be guesswork a little bit. I'm gonna have to look at my monitor just to make sure everything looks okay. But so yeah, I'm going to just like dot this on my face. I guess you can like highlight under your eyes. I personally wouldn't. I feel like it's a wasted step if you're just like going to school. But if you want to look more awake, I would take like as little as product as possible. This is the Too Faced Born This Way, the new fat one. This is in the shade Warm Beige. I would take off basically all of the product and just kind of do like that, and then grab some more and then wipe it all off, and then do like that again, just because I want this to be very like minimal makeup. Like, I don't want to look like I have on a whole face of makeup, which a lot of us don't. So just so you can look more awake, you know, hide those bags from those long nights of studying or whatever you do. I personally am on YouTube till 3 in the morning, so, you know, whatever, however you get it, you know. So, see, and that looks very like, I don't have a mirror, so honestly, I could be looking crazy and I wouldn't even know it. I'd be like, oh my god, I look so good, and until I get in front of a mirror. But my monitor says it's okay, so it's okay. So that, and then I guess I'm not gonna contour anything. I was gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick, but I feel like that's a lot for just going to school. I feel like if you are like trying to get in and get out of the house but looking decent, then we can go in with a little bit of bronzer just to warm up my face. I feel like I said, this color is a pretty good match for me, but just to warm it up a little bit, I guess. So I am going to take this Morphe E4 brush. This is like my favorite brush. I don't know what it's for, but I use it to bronze, and that's what I'm going to continue to use it for. And then this little Hoola bronzer thing that I got from my Sephora box. I like this color. It's very light, so I feel like it's like subtle to me. So This is what I'm gonna use. You can use anything that matches, or you can skip this step entirely. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's a crucial, like very important step that you like have to do before you step out the door. I just feel like it's one of those extra steps that you can incorporate if you want. You don't have to. Now that that's on, I'm gonna go in with my blush. This is from the drugstore. This is Luminoso. You can't even see it. It doesn't even say like Milani on there anymore. I've had this for so long. I discovered this 4 years ago. I feel like I had this before any YouTuber was even talking about it. Like my freshman year, this is all I had. Like Latique knows what I'm talking about. Like this was my jam 4 years ago, and this is the same one. Like I've never need to go back and get a new one. But I am going to take this on this Flawless face brush from ELF. I'm just gonna put some of that on there, and just because I feel like I never do blush, and you know, with the hey. So my cousin Asiah said that. She was saying it like the whole time we were in Texas, and I feel like once we got back to California, I was saying it, and I was like, where did I learn this word from? Okay, so see, we look so bright and just put together already. I'm liking this look. Okay, so I feel like for every day at school, I feel like it's mainly focused on your skin and your eyelashes. Honestly, I feel like if you have some mascara on and your face looks okay, like it's a great day. So for eyeliner, just to make you look more awake, you can use this one. This is the Rimmel London nude eyeliner shade, and what I usually do is just put only down here, like I only put on my bottom waterline just to like make my eyes look a little bit more awake and more open. So I can do this without really looking at a mirror. So I'm just gonna go over. This probably looks very weird to you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna align my bottom waterline, lash line, and this is just gonna making me look more awake. I feel it already. Okay, now I feel like lashes, they are nice to have, but you don't need it. You can definitely use them to make you look more awake. I feel like lashes instantly like make you look put together, like a natural one, of course. But because if you have some dramatic lashes and nothing on your face, you're probably gonna look a little weird. Not gonna lie, I'll probably look at you like, what? I feel like you don't need highlight for every day. I feel like you'll look a little bit much. You can easily be a little bit much with the highlighter. So I feel like the blush, the Luminoso blush, is very like, it's very like, it's luminous. So I feel like you don't need a highlight when you have on this blush. I feel like this is a very universal shade, honestly. And I don't know, I just feel like the color, like when it's on your skin, like I feel like it does the work for you. So with that blush, I wouldn't wear a highlight with it. We're basically done. Just for my lips, right now I just have on my chapstick. So I mean, this is fine to me. I definitely just wear chapstick to school, or I'll put on like a little bit of gloss that I got from the hair store. This is my favorite lip gloss. Or I mean, if you wanted to be a little, you need like something popping on you, then a nude lipstick. I feel like nude is, you cannot go wrong with nude with a natural look. So, you know, we have options. We have the chapstick, keep your lips nice and moisturized. We have the clear lip gloss, which this is what I would use if I don't want to use just chapstick. And then we have nudes right here. So, So right here I have 2 KKW products right here, and then, or I have 3 actually. So this is the gloss, and then a liner, and one of the new lipsticks. And then I have my little Morphe Sweet Tea liner. This is a bomb shade. Like, if you don't know what this looks like, you were missing out, my friend. Just wipe off some of my chapstick. Okay, not all of it though, because you don't want to have like super dry lips, because that is not a look in any world, in any way, shape, or form. Yeah, this is it. This is the look. I didn't set my under eyes because I didn't set my face at all, actually. That can be an issue. I'm very oily, so I should probably set my face, but I feel like I don't have on that much makeup, so I feel like setting your face, like adding the powder, just puts so much product on your face and it can make it look very cakey very fast. So I would rather blot my face throughout the day than put on a powder and make it look really heavy, because I'm not looking for this to last the entire day, just for my classes. So I'm not going to set my face. You can. It's personal choice. I just want to take the more natural route, because I know once I set it with the powder, then I have to go in with the spray because I'm going to look too powdery and I like to look like this. So yeah, I'm done. This is the finished look. I have to go to the hospital to see my nephew in a few minutes. So I am going to go now. And thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this look, if you're gonna wear it, if it was helpful, you know, I don't know. Like, comment, subscribe, and bell notifications, you know, so you can be updated when I post. And yeah, have a great first week of school, guys. Or if you're just watching this for fun, you know, you can wear this to work too. It's universal, you know. Do your thing. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. I have places to go and little people to see. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.